Hi, I'm Janelle, but you can just call me Jelly. I'm vlogging some wedding things today and just kind of keeping up with I've been taking a couple clips so far of just like the last month of what I've been doing for wedding planning. I just got back from the tasting. So back in March, I decided to really start taking clips of wedding planning things. What happened was I didn't send out save the dates, and my mother-in-law's side of the family, they wanted save the dates. So I quickly made up a little template on Canva, and I just printed it. I put it on a picture that we took last year at the Adirondacks when we got engaged, and had my Cricut write out envelopes. So it's just this like photo paper, and I had stuff printed on it, like save the date, and sent it out to a few people. Now this is me trying to glue the wedding invitation pockets together. The majority of this video will just be like real quick, me putting the invitation pockets together and just like the end of March kind of thing. But I tried to glue them and it did not work. So fortunately I found a this like 8-inch double stick, 8th-inch double stick tape that works out really well. So yeah, this was a fail right here. All right, so a little wedding update. There is 145 days to go. Oh my goodness. It is the 3rd week in March. We are now under 5 months. And here's a couple things that I got on Amazon. I don't know why I bought these, but I'm in like one of those Amazon wedding deals groups, and these had like really good reviews, and I decided to buy them. It's 24 of them, 25 of them for like $12, and they're really good quality, I think. I don't know what I'm going to use them for, but they'll be linked in my Amazon storefront. And then I got these. I'm trying to do like pearls and Prosecco for my bridal shower. So I bought these. I haven't undid them yet. But they were like $6.99 for a bunch of these strands. I don't know if I'll just like put them on the tables or something like that, but definitely was trying to start to get like things for my bridal shower. And then I sent out save the dates, and I went into Canva and put some text on a photo of us that we took last summer when we got engaged, and I printed it on this photo paper with my printer. And then I wrote on my Cricut on just these envelopes. They actually came with something. They came with this cardstock that I bought for invitations for my dad's retirement party. And I'm actually gonna try and size these out. I want to do the big like mirror for a seating chart, but I don't know if 20 tables, like how big this is. So I'm gonna lay these all, this is just 4x6 cardstock, and I'm gonna lay these all on the floor and measure and see how big of a mirror I need to do like 20 or more tables for the wedding. So this is like a really good example of what wedding planning for me is like. I picked up this cardstock because I was using it for something else, and now here I am trying to make plans for a seating chart mirror. So it's like, okay, today I'm working on this, but then like I grab something else and start working on something else. It's crazy. So I didn't really want to do the math, but if I had 20 tables, this is what it's gonna look like. And this is about, I say if I had like a 24 by 36 mirror. I mean, it'd have to be longer than 36 because I feel like I'm going to have more than 20 tables at my wedding. I don't know if I could put like 2 on each one. I don't know that this is going to work. So I really want to do like the whole mirror with like the wax seals. But like how tall? Let's measure the big mirror that I have that I'm going to do like my welcome, like a welcome selfie mirror on. And it's 20 across. So I don't think I'll be able to do 4. It'll be like just bare, they'll have to be like super close together. So it is March 31st. And there are 132 days left to the wedding, and I'm working on the invitation pockets. I'm finally like actually getting going on stuff. That's what I've been doing. That's what I've been up to. I know it's Easter, but like this, I got this in my Craftmas box. I'm loving this sweatshirt. I actually got like this one to put something on, to put like coffee something on, so I don't have to wear this Halloween one. But this is the Cricut doing its thing. I've gotten into kind of a rhythm with this. I did buy this like tape to tape everything together. I was gonna do glue, but that was just not working. So I have this side, the tape goes on here and it folds over and that makes a pocket. And then I fold this side over, put tape along this here, and we put this onto here. So I accidentally at one point in the Cricut software, like this side was shorter than this side, so I had to go through and cut a bunch of them, but now they're lining up again. So that's good. And then I just have to like do my actual invitation. I started my bridal shower invitations, and I started my wedding registry a little bit. I just feel like we're at the point where it's like you gotta start doing stuff and getting stuff done. And I am. But like some days it's like I don't know what there is to do to get done. You know? It's like I feel like I should be doing something, but there's like what is it that I need to do? And then all of a sudden it's gonna come down to like a month left to the wedding and I'll be like, I have all this stuff I have to do. I don't know. But anyway, I think maybe this week is when I'm going to tackle this mirror project. That mirror over there. And it's going to be for the bridal shower. It's going to be like a selfie mirror. And it's going to say like, I looked it up. I think it's 62 days till I do. And it's going to say like, welcome to the Janelle's bridal shower or something like that. So I also spent like 2 hours designing my bridal shower invitation. And it's like almost done. I don't know. See, you could buy a template. But I feel like I would edit it anyway, so I made my own. But what I've been doing is I kind of just like let this cut and I'll go off and I'll do something like I curled my hair because it's Easter and I felt like curling it. I did my makeup, I just didn't put eyeliner on yet because I usually like, for some reason, I don't know why I do that. I like get ready but then I don't put eyeliner on before I leave. I don't know, it's weird. But yeah, so that's where we're at today. I don't know if there's really anything else to show. The tasting at the venue's Thursday, and I got this dress from Amazon. It's long sleeves, and it's a little big, but I got it in a extra small, and I got it in white because I watched a video on TikTok of somebody going to their tasting, and they were wearing white, and now I'm like, why didn't I buy white? I didn't want to like buy a white dress to only wear it once, but this is... We'll show the fit when I have it on, I guess. When we're on the way to the tasting, I'll do a little like, yeah. So, I don't know, maybe that's it for today, but I want to try and get enough to make another vlog for like the start of April. This will be like the second half of March. So, we just got back from the tasting for our wedding. This is the dress I got from Amazon.